Do the laundry, mastering everyday English phrases. Hello and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to dive into a very common phrase, do the laundry. This is something you might hear often in everyday conversations. Understanding and using phrases like this can really help you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's get started. Do the laundry refers to the process of washing clothes and textiles. It's a household chore that everyone is familiar with. But why do we say, do the laundry, instead of just, wash clothes? In English, some tasks and chores are often expressed with the verb do, like do the dishes or do the cleaning. It's a way of making these tasks sound more like general activities. 1. Do. This is a versatile verb in English, often used for actions or tasks. 2. A definite article, specifying that we're talking about a specific set of clothes or textiles. 3. Laundry refers to clothes, linens, and other textiles that need to be washed. When combined, do the laundry implies the complete process of sorting, washing, drying, and often folding clothes. 1. I need to do the laundry before we go out. 2. Can you help me do the laundry? 3. We do the laundry every Sunday. Notice how the phrase fits naturally into these everyday contexts, indicating a routine or a request for assistance. In different English-speaking countries, doing the laundry might involve different practices. For example, in the US, people often use a dryer, while in the UK, it's more common to air dry clothes. Despite these differences, the phrase, do the laundry, is universally understood among English speakers. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, do the laundry, confidently in your everyday English conversations. Remember, mastering these common phrases will make your English sound more natural and fluent. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.